Nestled in the heart of campus at the University of Alberta is a special gem, St. Joseph's College. Since 1926, this Catholic college has a rich history of academics and a vibrant residence program for both men and women, offering campus rec opportunities, floor and community-wide events, and direct access to faith development opportunities. Located just steps away from the athletic facilities and only minutes away from the river valley with endless access to trails, truly in the heart of the campus at U of A. It truly is a residence experience like no other.
My name's Ezra. I'm a second-year psychology student, but this is my first year living at Joe's. Now, the lovely thing about dorm life is all the stuff you're provided with. You're given a desk, a bed, a chair. You're allowed to bring your own, though, and a dresser. You're also allowed, if you so choose, to bring your own mini fridge and kettle, though no hot plates or microwaves or anything that could potentially start a fire. But if you come with me this way, you can see one of my favorite parts about living here. If you look outside, we're right across from the Denson Farm building, which means that we're right in the center of campus. You're no more than 10 minutes away from any of your classes. It's a fantastic experience. Here we have the St. Joe's Dining Hall, where all of your meals will be served. The till over here is connected to your one cart, so all you have to do for each meal is just tap it, and all the meals are concocted by our lovely chef, Ben. And it's really a great communal area, despite only 5 people being here right now.
Hi, my name is Cadence, and here's everything you need to know about the St. Joseph's College here at the University of Alberta. Here's our student lounge on the main floor of St. Joe's. It's a great place to study, hang out with friends, and anyone is welcome. St. Joe's Chapel, this is where we have our daily mass as well as student masses, and anyone is welcome. And this is our Kateri Chapel, named after St. Kateri. This is where we sometimes host mass. This is our women's residence. It can host up to 284 female residents in suites of 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, or 4 bedrooms. Let's go check out inside. Every dorm comes with a bedside table, a bed, under the bed storage, a desk, and a closet. And also a great view. Here's one of our student lounges. There's one on every floor. They're great places to study, hang out, and there's always floor events going on. And the best part is the view. Is that you're truly in the heart of campus. You're only 5 minutes away from any of your classes as well as the transit campus.
I think the beauty of Catholic education is being able to facilitate an encounter with God, providing that sort of bridge between the faith and the students.
With dedicated faculty, St. Joseph's College offers over 70 courses in the liberal arts, rooted in a Catholic approach that count toward University of Alberta degrees. Serving over 2,000 students annually, instructors get to know everyone and help students feel connected and at home on a large university campus. Our active worshiping community brings together more than 300 parishioners weekly. Daily and weekend Mass offers regular opportunities to participate in the sacraments, and the 7 p.m. Sunday Mass brings more than 70 students from all over campus together. Campus ministry and our Basilian chaplains also provide spiritual guidance and assist the Catholic Students Association, one of the largest groups on the U of A's campus. Through our courses and programs, our residences, and our worshiping community at St. Joseph's College, students are empowered to ask big questions, build lifelong relationships, and develop a faith that is authentic and their own. And they go out into the world with the tools and vision to help bring about the common good.